We bought it for Trader Joe. Then at home we're gonna make it. Here goes like this is a cornbread to you. I'm gonna broke it. I'm gonna broke it. First we melt the butter. We crack open the egg. We pour the butter in the bowl. And I poured it. I'm gonna pour it. We pour the milk into the bowl. We pour the cornbread into the bowl. This is enough. Use the whisk to mix this. We press the nut to small pieces. We put the nuts in the batter. Okay. We line the cup in the muffin pan. We mix some black sesame in the bowl. Today we make 2 muffins. It's black sesame and original is a yellow one. And then we put in the oven 350 F. But Mother, I want to take a picture with you.